Hi, this is Luke from Petrol Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Kia Carnival, stock number 6091. This ran from 01 2006, 05 2010. It has a G6DA 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a G6DA 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.